You could probably just leave it there since I could just back up next to you. That's fine. Alright, we got the two cars parked out here. We're going to start washing them. But first, this is Matt.
What's up, guys? My name is Matthew Johnson. I'm Gavin's brother-in-law. This is my 2014 Subaru WRX hatchback. Same thing as Gavin's, but you know, it's a newer year. That's about it.
I think it was AutoZone I went to yesterday. After work on my way home, I got some turtle wax. Just some new stuff because we were running out of that old stuff. And then got some Black Magic Bleach White tire cleaner. We didn't have anything, so we were just using the regular car wash, and this will be easier. Dissolves the brake dust and dirt better. So to start, when we wash our cars, we park them either together, or if we're not together and he's not washing his car, vice versa. We park the cars, get them all watered down from top to bottom, let that sit, let the water get all the dirt off first before we wash the cars. Then we go around and spray our tires, or clean our tires, whatever we got, and do that, then spray those off, and then start cleaning the car from top to bottom. Try and do it to the best of our ability so we're not scratching our paint and all that. It's kind of hard because we don't have the best stuff. We don't have the like foam gun. We don't have 20 microfiber hand washes to do it the correct way. But we try and do it to the best of our ability so we're not scratching our clear coats and having swirl marks all over our cars. But we do our best. Little did we know,
Gavin goofed it. Pretty much for after you've washed your car and your tires are dry. So Gavin goofed it. Probably going to be using this after we dry our cars off and
wipe them. Yeah, because it says apply to a dry tire, not a wet tire. So I just grabbed it off the shelf and ran out the door because I was trying to get home quick from work. Whatever, we can still use it later on. No biggie.
a little wet.
Spray them off after we wash them, and then we will jump to washing from top to bottom of our cars with our 2 microfiber hand wash mitts that we got over here. We got this one that's a little bit rougher on this side, but this picks up a lot of the dirt on the bottom side of the car. I do like this rag down there, and I try and do this more microfiber-ish one on top and on my windows. And then we got a bunch of towels to dry them off. They look like beach towels, but they're not. We wash them. This is strictly just garage towels. We got the bucket with the soap and water that we use to clean our rims. We're going to dump that out, even though it's like halfway full of water and soap. We're going to dump it out over here due to the fact of when you clean your rims, you're putting your microfiber in and out. All the dirt that's coming off your rims is going in here, and then you're going to try and use it on your paint. It's just asking for swirl marks and scratches and all that. We're trying to keep those out of our paint as much as we can because these things don't need any more swirl marks than they already do. This auto.
That's my.
That's from California, actually, when we lived in California. I know most of you probably already know. We moved here from California. This is Georgia. So we moved here from California, so most of our stuff is from California. Like that banner, my banner, that was from the tent guy we used in California. Alright, so to go over what we just did, we've washed the cars completely. We have watered them off. We kind of do this, we've kind of just done it over the years. We both wash our own cars while the other one waters it down so all the soap gets off of it. Vice versa, so he cleans his car. Yeah, he cleans his car. I water it down for him while I water down my car so it doesn't get water spots. Vice versa, when I clean my car my way, he waters it down. It just works. We did it with, he used to own a Genesis. I used to own an 06 Hawkeye before I crashed it. I can make that a whole nother video if you guys want to talk about that. But yeah, so that's just what we've done over the last couple years.
So I got this Meguiar's Shine As You Dry Quick Wax Instant Gloss in Full Sun. That's how you keep your car looking good. Basically, after you're done rinsing all the soap suds off, you know, you have a clean canvas, you spray this on while it's still wet, and as you dry, you're basically waxing your car, saving time, and it does a good job.
Yep, so then when it rains the next day when you're driving to work, right after you wash your entire car on Sunday, like here in Georgia, that's what happens, the water just drips off. It still makes it look good for that week, and not you drive to work and you get a look at a terrible looking car again right after you just spent 3 hours washing it. It sucks. But this helps a lot for us. Mostly what you do is you just walk around, spray it off like he is. I'll go ahead and do it to my car real quick as well. And you just spray it and then you dry your car off like normal. Pretty simple. Alrighty, so the camera battery died. I was charging it a little bit, but we went ahead and dried the entire cars. And then we go ahead and open up the doors and we cleaned, well, dried and cleaned all inside of the doors. I'll go ahead and focus it and get a better clip of you guys seeing how much cleaner they are. So all of this, we open up the doors, let all the water drip out, clean them all, clean all the way down there on the door before the weather stripping, and got all that cleaned up, dried off. Same in here, all that, this middle part that you don't see, all that. Same for the hatch, open it up, let the water drip out, clean that. And then next, maybe a little bit later today, I'll go ahead and vacuum the entire car and get all the dirt out of off all the floors. Alrighty, so I went ahead and dried off the rims, just like he's doing right now.
And Matt's just on his second one because he has a million freaking spokes to do, so you know.
Yeah, million spokes boy over here. Whew, it's hot, sweating. But now, put these bad boys down since they're dry. Thankfully we got that spot up there that we're gonna take a good picture for a thumbnail and Instagram posts and everything like that of these two cars.
You know, shameless plug, you know, if you want to follow us on Instagram, my Instagram is @thematthewjohnson. Gavin's is Gavin _
No, it's not.
Oh,
no, brother, you're messing me up, bro. It's @GavinMiller with 2 I's in the Gavin. Because I didn't want to get no Gavin _Miller_ anymore. I was over that. That was scooter days, man. I was over it. So yeah, now we're going to take some pictures, roll up the hose, put the soap away, put the product away. See this right here. That's what I'm talking about. Look at this leaf. Come on, Georgia. Get rid of some of these trees, man. Get out of here. Man. No, I haven't used it. I forgot about it, man. Just picked this bad boy up to clean my rims for us, and I forgot. Man, I'm so Dropped it. Let me pick it up. Yeah, so busy trying to film this video, forgot that I bought a wheel brush for the cars. You live and you learn. Still on those rims, dude. It's been like 5 minutes. Jesus. Are you ready?
Making sure those decals are fresh.
Nah, dude. Trying to get the water that's dripping.
Yeah, Hey, you know, unintended plug, you know.
Alrighty, so that was the video for today. Took a couple hours to detail the cars properly. Used some new product that we haven't used before. It was pretty cool. Thanks to Matt for joining in on the video and letting me film his car and letting me film him washing it. So tomorrow we will definitely be at the Caffeine and Octane is what it is. I'm used to Cars and Coffee from California, so I'm not used to what's out here in Georgia, but it's Caffeine and Octane out here tomorrow in Atlanta. I don't know the city. It's either Alpharetta-ish, I'm thinking. It's like closer to Atlanta, I'd guess. But we'll be out there. We'll film that entire day. Talk to some people about their cars. Maybe some other Subaru hatchbacks will pull up and we'll be able to talk to them about their cars. We'll film the entire day like a little bit of a vlog style, more than this. This is more of like I'll do some cinematics, add some music in there, make it look good. But thanks to Matt again for helping film and everything. We will wrap it up there. Boom.